Hello, hi guys. I am Jill with Upsy Daisies, but I made a sign. I want people to realize that you can make a sign out of anything. These happen to be two different boards. They're two different thicknesses. And you don't have to have perfect edges. So anyway, I had taken a couple boards and I just cut them. And I did not cut them the same length because again, I don't want this to be perfect. Well, this used to be somebody's sign and I didn't want to be told to relax. And this was like from an old barn. And so it's like really chippy. And all I did was take a little piece of cedar and I drilled it and glued it into the back of all of them. It's gonna, I think it really needs something like a rusty wire to hang from. So I'll probably drill a couple holes and try to find, or I'll make rusty wire to hang it. But this is going to be what we're gonna work with today. But this little baby arrived and we're going to play with this one today. This is Stipley. So I went perusing through all of my supplies and I found a bunch of stencils that we're gonna put together into one board. So I want to use my saltwater taffy, and I'm not gonna make this all go away because it's just too gorgeous. But I am going to kind of get to lighten up the base with this. I have some lemon crinkle, sour apple, and if I need some accents, I'm gonna use my foggy martini and mud pie. What do all of these have in common, at least to me? They are lemons. So I bet this lemon stencil, and I made one and I purchased one. I've had them for quite a while. This one, it just seemed, let me go like this, farmer's market. It seemed a little on the small side. And I had created this one, God, a couple years ago. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use parts of this one, parts of this bottom, and because we're talking about lemons, I have to bring in like a little honeybee because you have to have pollinators. So I'm going to use some of all of these. So do not be surprised if your paint, like saltwater taffy, is beautifully white and now it's kind of grungy and gray. There could be wood tannins on this wood. There could be stain. It could be a little bit of dirt. I'm not worried about it at all. We'll put the sign down first. We will get the lettering down. All right, I'm actually going to start with some mud pie to do the farmer's market first. Very good. There's one thing that I have a tendency to like to do, and that is to join my letters. I know a lot of, if I go this way, I won't run my hand through my ink. There you go. A lot of letters have spaces on them to make them stencils, but I kind of like to join them. start with the lemon. I just want one big lemon right here. Throw a little more saltwater taffy down here. Just a little bit more under my lemon. Ooh, look at that. I've got a little violet lemonade, so it'll be pink and blue. Got sour apple. And this is perfect. I want to just see. I want some of my lemons to have a little bit of lemon lime in the leaf. Yes. Hands down, they look incredible with the big lemonade in them.